Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have followed Amy Slaton's journey for years, watching her navigate everything from weight loss struggles to marriage, motherhood, and now complicated custody issues. The TLC star, who first entered the spotlight alongside her sister Tammy Slaton, has been open about her personal life in a way that keeps viewers constantly invested. Now, Amy's two young boys, Gage and Glenn, are hitting new milestones, and fans are shocked by just how fast they're growing. Despite ongoing drama surrounding Amy's custody arrangement, her children remain her top priority, and the updates about their development are bringing both relief and excitement to longtime supporters of the show. Amy welcomed her first son, Gage, in November 2020, marking one of the biggest turning points of her story. After years of wanting to be a mother, she finally achieved her dream, and fans celebrated alongside her when she posted pictures of her newborn. Just under 2 years later, in July 2022, she gave birth to her second son, Glenn, completing the little family she had envisioned for herself. While her marriage to Michael Halterman eventually unraveled, resulting in a separation and custody dispute, Amy's love for her boys has never wavered. This devotion has been a central focus of her storyline and continues to resonate with viewers. Recently, fans were delighted when Amy shared updates about her children's growth. Gage, who is nearly 4 years old, has reached an important developmental milestone. He is now more independent, speaking full sentences, and showing a curiosity about the world around him that reflects his growing personality. Meanwhile, baby Glenn, who just turned 2, is quickly catching up to his big brother. According to Amy's latest social media posts and interviews, Glenn is already walking, talking, and showing a playful spirit that makes him the wild child of the family. Seeing both boys thriving despite the family's challenges has reassured fans who often worry about the toll drama might take on them. Of course, the milestone celebration comes at a complicated time. Amy's split from Michael has been highly public, with reports of heated disputes and legal battles over custody arrangements. The couple's disagreements have spilled into the spotlight, sparking speculation about how much time each parent gets with the boys. While the details remain somewhat private due to court involvement, Amy has hinted that she maintains primary custody, while Michael continues to have visitation. What's clear is that Amy is determined to provide her children with a stable and loving environment, even while navigating the obstacles that come with co-parenting after a rocky breakup. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have always rooted for Amy as she's faced struggles beyond her weight loss journey. From the beginning, she was portrayed as the sister who wanted to embrace family life, while Tammy was often caught up in her own health battles. Amy's wish for motherhood became a major storyline, and when she finally had her sons, audiences were deeply moved. Now, watching Gage and Glenn grow has become a continuation of that emotional journey. Every milestone they hit feels like a victory not just for Amy, but for everyone who has supported her from the beginning. Social media has played a big role in showing fans how big Amy's boys are now. Recent photos reveal that Gage, once the tiny newborn viewer met on TLC, is now a tall and energetic preschooler. His bright smile and adventurous spirit have made him a fan favorite whenever Amy shares glimpses of him online. Glenn, with his chubby cheeks and playful grin, often steals the spotlight in pictures and videos, reminding fans of just how fast babies grow. The contrast between when they were first introduced on the show and how they look now has left fans in disbelief at the passage of time. Beyond just physical growth, Amy has shared stories about her boys' personalities that give fans a closer look into her family life. Gage is described as thoughtful, observant, and a bit shy around new people, but full of questions and creativity at home. Glenn, on the other hand, is said to be bold, fearless, and eager to explore everything around him. This balance between the brothers keeps Amy on her toes, but she has expressed nothing but pride in seeing them grow into their own unique individuals. Even amid her struggles, Amy's role as a mother has been one of the most celebrated aspects of her journey. Her parenting has often been praised by fans who admire the way she puts her children first. However, some critics online have raised questions about whether the custody drama could affect the boys in the long term. Amy's supporters are quick to defend her, pointing out that despite her challenges, she's consistently shown dedication, patience, and love toward her sons. It's this fierce loyalty that has helped her hold her head high even while dealing with the fallout of her divorce. Custody battles are never easy, especially in the public eye, but Amy's updates suggest that she's focusing on positivity and moving forward. Sources close to the TLC star have suggested that she is determined to give her boys a normal childhood despite the fame and drama surrounding their family. With milestones like walking, talking, and preparing for preschool now unfolding, Amy's journey as a mother feels like it's entering a new chapter, one where she can watch her sons thrive while building a future that's less about conflict and more about growth. Fans of the show are already speculating about whether these milestones will be featured in upcoming seasons of 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has a history of highlighting the Slayton family's personal developments, and Amy's parenting journey has been one of the most relatable and heartwarming storylines. If cameras capture moments like Gage's first days at school or Glenn's early adventures, it could provide an emotional counterbalance to the drama often surrounding Tammy's health and other family conflicts. For now, fans are simply enjoying the rare and candid glimpses Amy gives them into her home life. Each update seems to spark conversations across social media, with many fans expressing their joy at seeing the boys happy and healthy. Comments often flood in with encouragement, telling Amy that she is doing a great job and reminding her that no parent is perfect but effort and love make all the difference. These positive responses provide a strong support system for Amy, who has faced her fair share of criticism in the past. In many ways, Amy's children have become a symbol of resilience. They represent the progress she's made since her early days on the show, when doubts about her health and ability to become a mother loomed large. Seeing Gage and Glenn grow up healthy, happy, and hitting milestones is proof that Amy's determination paid off. Her journey may still be filled with challenges, but the love between her and her sons remains undeniable and continues to inspire viewers. Looking ahead, Amy has hinted at wanting to create even more memories with her children, from family vacations to simple milestones like birthdays and school activities. She's also focused on balancing her reality TV life with the privacy her boys deserve as they grow older. While the custody drama will likely continue to make headlines, Amy's updates make it clear that her children's well-being will always be the story she cares about most. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.